Hey, gorgeous souls! It's your girl, your name, from Results Driven Manifestation, and let me tell you, I am so excited for today's video. We're diving deep into the magical world of crystals and how they can help you manifest financial abundance like a boss. Listen up, because we're talking about attracting more money, more opportunities, and more of that delicious abundance that allows you to live your most epic life. If you're ready to unlock your financial potential and call in the prosperity you deserve, then buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to get crystal clear on the top 5 crystals that can help make it happen. Get ready to raise your vibration and watch the magic unfold. First up, let's talk about Citrine, my loves. This sunshine-hued beauty is known as the merchant stone for a reason. It's like a magnet for prosperity and success. Seriously, if you want to amp up your manifestation game when it comes to finances, Citrine is your new BFF. Think of Citrine as your sparkly little wealth activator. It's believed to attract abundance, boost your creativity and motivation, and help you manifest your dream life. And who doesn't want a little more of that, right? Here's the thing about Citrine, it doesn't just attract wealth, it helps you it too. It's like having a financial guardian angel perched on your shoulder, guiding you to make smart decisions and attract opportunities that align with your highest good. Now, how do you actually use this golden beauty to manifest financial abundance? Easy peasy. You can carry a piece of Citrine in your wallet or purse to attract wealth while you're on the go. Visualize those dollar bills flowing into your life every time you see it. You can also place a citrine crystal on your desk or in your workspace to invite abundance and success into your career or business. Another powerful way to work with citrine is to meditate with it. Hold the crystal in your hand, close your eyes, and visualize your financial goals manifesting with ease and grace. Feel the energy of abundance flowing through you, and watch as the universe conspires to make it happen. Trust me, my friend, citrine is a game changer when it comes to manifesting financial success. So, embrace its sunny energy, and get ready to watch your bank account grow. Next up, we're diving into the dazzling world of Pyrite, also known as fool's gold. But don't let the name fool you, my friend, because this shimmering stone is anything but foolish when it comes to attracting wealth and abundance. Pyrite is like a lightning bolt of financial energy, igniting your power, confidence, and ability to manifest your dream life. It's believed to attract wealth and opportunities like a magnet, helping you step into your full potential as a money-making maven. Think of Pyrite as your financial bodyguard, shielding you from negative energy and attracting positive vibes that pave the way for abundance to flow into your life. It's all about that high vibe energy, baby. One of the coolest things about Pyrite is that it's known to enhance your manifestation power, helping you turn your dreams into reality. It amplifies your intentions and sends them out into the universe with a powerful surge of energy. So, how can you incorporate Pyrite into your financial manifestation routine? Try keeping a piece of Pyrite on your desk or in your workspace to attract wealth and success in your career. Visualize your dream job, that big promotion, or your business booming every time you see it. You can also carry a small Pyrite in your pocket or purse as a reminder of your financial goals and to attract lucky opportunities throughout the day. And here's a little secret. Pyrite is also amazing for protection. It helps to shield you from negative energy, whether it's from people, situations, or even your own self-doubt. So if you're feeling financially drained or like you're constantly facing obstacles, Pyrite can help you clear those blockages and step into your financial power. Remember, you are a money magnet, and Pyrite is here to help you own it. Get ready to welcome abundance into your life with the vibrant energy of green Aventurine, the stone of opportunity. This gorgeous green crystal is like a lucky charm for manifesting prosperity and attracting financial blessings. Think of green Aventurine as your cosmic lottery ticket, increasing your chances of attracting wealth, success, and those serendipitous moments that can lead to major financial breakthroughs. It's all about aligning yourself with the frequency of abundance and allowing those opportunities to flow your way. Green Aventurine is known for its ability to open doors to new possibilities, helping you manifest your dream job, attract lucrative investments, or even stumble upon unexpected windfalls. It's like having a little piece of good luck always by your side. One of the best ways to work with Green Aventurine is to carry it with you in your wallet or purse. Every time you reach for your money, visualize those bills multiplying and your wealth expanding. You can also place a green Aventurine crystal on your business card or in your cash register to attract abundance and prosperity into your business. Another powerful way to tap into the energy of green Aventurine is to meditate with it while visualizing your financial goals. Imagine yourself living your dream life, surrounded by abundance, and feel the joy and gratitude as if it's already yours. Green Aventurine is a powerful ally for anyone looking to manifest financial success, attract lucky breaks, and create a life filled with abundance and prosperity. So embrace its vibrant energy and get ready to watch the opportunities roll in. Let's roar our way to financial abundance with the powerful energy of Tiger's Eye, the stone of courage, confidence, and clear decision-making. This golden brown beauty is like having a fearless financial advisor by your side, guiding you to make smart choices and attract the wealth you deserve. Think of Tiger's Eye as your inner financial warrior, helping you overcome challenges, tap into your intuition, and manifest your goals with unwavering determination. It's all about stepping into your power and owning your worthiness to receive abundance. Tiger's Eye is known for its ability to enhance your focus, clarity, and courage, which are all essential ingredients for making sound financial decisions and attracting wealth. It helps you see through illusions, overcome fear and self-doubt, and make those bold moves that can lead to major financial breakthroughs. One of the best ways to work with Tiger's Eye is to wear it as jewelry, keeping its energy close to your solar plexus chakra, the energy center of personal power and manifestation. You can also place a Tiger's Eye crystal on your desk or in your workspace to enhance your focus, productivity, and decision-making skills. Another powerful way to tap into the energy of Tiger's Eye is to meditate with it while visualizing your financial goals. Imagine yourself as a financial powerhouse, attracting wealth and abundance with ease and grace. Feel the confidence surge through you as you claim your financial freedom. Tiger's Eye is a powerful ally for anyone who wants to overcome financial challenges, make smart investments, and attract the abundance they deserve. So, embrace its fierce energy and get ready to roar your way to financial success. Get ready to amplify your manifestation game with the ultimate crystal power booster, Clear Quartz. This versatile beauty is like a universal adapter for your intentions, amplifying the energy of other crystals and helping you manifest your desires with lightning speed. Think of Clear Quartz as your manifestation BFF, always there to lend a helping hand, or should I say crystal energy boost, to your financial goals. It's all about clearing away those energetic blocks and supercharging your intentions to attract abundance like a magnet. Clear Quartz is known for its ability to amplify energy, clear negative vibes, and enhance your intuition. It acts like a magnifying glass for your thoughts and intentions, sending them out into the universe with laser-like focus and clarity. One of the best ways to work with Clear Quartz is to pair it with other crystals on this list. For example, you can combine Clear Quartz with Citrine to amplify its wealth-attracting properties, or with green Aventurine to enhance your ability to manifest financial opportunities. The possibilities are endless. You can also use Clear Quartz to program your intentions for financial abundance. Hold the crystal in your hand, visualize your goals, and infuse it with your desired outcome. Keep this charged crystal near you, on your desk or by your bed to attract wealth and abundance into your life. Another powerful way to tap into the energy of Clear Quartz is to meditate with it while visualizing your financial dreams. Imagine yourself living your best life, surrounded by abundance, and feel the joy and gratitude as if it's already yours. Clear Quartz is the ultimate crystal ally for anyone looking to supercharge their manifestation practice and attract financial abundance with speed and ease. So embrace its clear, high-vibe energy, and get ready to watch your dreams manifest before your eyes. Woohoo! Now you're armed with the knowledge of the top 5 crystals to help you manifest financial success like a boss. Remember, my friend, the key is to choose the crystals that resonate with you the most and use them with intention and belief. Whether you're carrying them in your pocket, meditating with them, or simply placing them in your environment, these crystals can help you shift your energy, attract abundance, and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for joining me on this crystal-infused journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Until next time, stay sparkly, stay abundant, and keep manifesting your best life.